from 7 million in NHIF to now 29.4 million Kenyans. We are moving towards universality. If we can keep on increasing that space into 40 million, then truly we can say we have a universal healthcare program.
Both health and finance, to provide us with accurate, verifiable details for over 1,287 health facilities immediately. We want to clear these payments by the end of this month.
The holding of hay or livestock feed within the county be given priority for offtake by the national government, because that will also inject some liquidity into those counties.